Hello guys! So try nating sagutan itong question natin for our CSE review for today. So first, subtract 4/5 minus 3 over 7. So sulat muna natin sila. 4/5 minus 3 over 7. So ngayon, paano ba tayo nagsusubtract ng 2 dissimilar fraction? So first thing we need to do is to cross multiply. So what do we mean by that? So it means, yung numerator ng 4 over 5, i-multiply lang natin sa denominator ng 3 over 7. Or simply, 4 times 7. Then yung sagot, ilalagay natin sa taas ng ating first fraction, which is 4 over 5. So 7 times 4, that is 28. Then same tayo dito sa denominator ng 4/5 and numerator ng 3 over 7. That is 5 times 3, which gives us 15. Ngayon, meron na tayong 2 values. Ang ginagawa natin sa fraction natin is mina-minus natin sila or sinusubtract. So it means isusubtract din natin tong values natin. So we have 28 minus 15. That gives us 13. Over, so for our new denominator, we simply multiply yung denominator ng both fraction natin. So we have 5 times 7. That gives us 35. So, ating answer is 13 over 35, which is letter B. Okay? So, for our next question, subtract 3 over 5 minus 2 over 9. Hayaan ko kayong sagutan ito and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. Okay? So, that's it for our review and I hope may natutunan kayo.